Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the attestation-denied login error on Twitter or X. So if you're trying to sign in and this error keeps appearing, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your X app on your phone and go to the login screen. Now tap on Forgot Password. Next, enter the email address, phone number, or username connected to your account and then tap Next. After that, follow the instructions on the screen to reset your password. X will send you a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter the code when you receive it, and then tap Next to continue. When creating the new password, make sure to choose a strong and secure password that you haven't used before. Once your password has been reset, go back to the login page and try signing in again using your new password. In many cases, this refreshes your account's login verification and removes the attestation-denied error, allowing you to access your account normally again. And that's it. After logging in with your updated password, the error should be gone and your account should work smoothly again. If this didn't fix the problem for you, don't worry. Check out the next video on your screen where I show a different solution to fix the attestation-denied login error on X. So make sure to follow the steps there. It might work better for your situation.